This is Unit 2, Lesson 9. Now you try example number 1, where you are applying the subtraction property of equality. So fill in the reasons to complete the proof below. Given AC is equal to BD, so, oops a second. AC and BD are the same. Prove that AB is equal to CD. So we want to show that this and this are the same. We'll notice that each of these segments share, so we're kind of making a plan here. They share BC. Share BC. Well, that's our plan. So we're going to use that. Not too much really going on our plan, other than that for right now. So what do we always start with? We start with the given. That should be pretty obvious for your reason. And then let's look at the second statement. They say that all of AC is equal to AB plus BC. Well, what is that statement saying? That's saying that the two parts of the line are making up the whole line. And the same thing for BD. BD equals the two parts of the line making up the whole line segment BD. So that is partition. Or you can say segment addition. Your table was missing a statement, which is important for this proof. So you can add it in. I apologize for that ahead of time. So we're going to say that BC is equal to itself, and that is reflexive. Right? Anything equal to itself is reflexive. So why can we set these two items equal to each other? So they're saying that AB plus BC equals BC plus AD. Well, they told us in the beginning that AC, which is the whole segment, is equal to BD, which is the whole segment. So this is substitution. Because we know AC is all of this, and we know BC is all of this, and this is basically AC. And this is basically BD right here. Okay, so we're replacing the fact that those are equal from 1 with step 2, where the parts are the same as the whole thing. So that is substitution. And now let's take a look at the final step. So the final step gives us that AB and CD are the same. Well, notice if we subtract BC, which is equal to itself, from both sides, we are left with AB equals CD. That is the subtraction property of equality. If we subtract equal amounts, which is BC, from things that are equal, AC equaling BD, we are left with an equal difference, subtraction. And we can just write subtraction. You don't have to write subtraction property of equality. Subtraction is sufficient for us to know that you understood what that property meant.